Maybe you're right. Maybe it's just best to have everything out in the open.
We have nothing to hide. I'll just move back into my loft. I'll give Jax the divorce he wants. I don't need his money. I never did.
What about the baby?
Oh, gosh. Well, there's going to be a custody battle no matter what I do. At least this way Elizabeth will know what's really going on.
If she's lucky, you're going to need her support.
Yeah, I'm not exactly their favorite person.
Hey, once they get to know you, Courtney, they won't feel that way.
You know what? We're free now. Nothing else matters. We can see each other whenever we want. You know? No more secrets. No guilt. I
think I should come with you.
No, absolutely not.
I don't want you to have to deal with him alone.
Well, this is between me and Jax. It has nothing to do with you.
I wish that were true, Courtney, but...
Look, Nicholas, Jax chose to look me in the eye and tell me that he loves me, but he doesn't. He swore that he wanted me to be the mother of his child, when that's really the last thing that he wants.
But you and Jax were fine until I came along.
Come on. You know better than that. Jax loves the chase. But when he wins, he needs another chase. It's anything to keep from getting too close. Look, if it hadn't been the surrogacy arrangement, it would have been something else. He needed another challenge, another chase, so paying Elizabeth to have his child was perfect. He protected himself, he hedged his bets.
Jax won't see it that way, Courtney.
Look, I will never be the woman that Jax really wants. That means that he never has to get too close. He's never gonna put his heart at risk or show me who he really is inside, and I refuse to live like that.
Okay. Sounds like you really thought this through.
Yeah. I've had my share of dark times too. I'm not even a Cassadine.
But Jax will blame us.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure he will. But Nicholas, he's kind of right. Whatever we have, it kind of sped things along.
Yeah.
But Jax and I would have fallen apart eventually anyway, and my marriage is so over. I need to tell him face to face, just two of us.
Okay, well, I'll be here for you.
You don't have to do that.
I know, you telling me not to?
No, I guess it would help no.
All right, then I'll be on you.
The connection, they can't be broken. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Please tell me it's not too late.
Hey.
Are you waiting for me?
I was. We should spend a little time together, get to know each other again.
Or not?
Everything all right?
Oh, I'm really good, actually.
Where have you been?
At Windermere. Making love to Nicholas.